Hello Angel Pies and welcome back to my channel. So today is very exciting. I know I say that all the time. Like, why do I say that all the time? I'm just always excited to be filming and uploading for you guys, basically. But today is the first Poundland haul of 2019. How very exciting. Firstly, if you are new, hello, welcome. I'm so pleased you've joined me on today's video because it's going to be a good one. We are doing a lovely Poundland haul. I recently went into my local Poundland to see what they kind of had in stock after Christmas. So Christmas is now been and gone. Sob. I need to move on to new territories. I wanted to see how well they've restocked after Christmas. I did actually get quite a few good bits, so I'm really excited to show you, and I'm actually so excited to have them in my palms. So if you are new, my name is Sophie, aka Sophrina. I make 3 videos on this channel every single week on fashion, interiors, and also lifestyle-y chatty bits. So if you like that kind of thing, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below, and get your cups of teas ready. Where's mine? Oh my god, it's on the floor. Embarrassing. Here it is. Got my cup of tea. I've actually already drunk like most of it. I've gone with a black tea today. As always, you know me. Black tea, as black as my soul. So get comfy, get cozy, and let's get to the video. Okay, I'm just gonna be brutally honest with you here. You know, I'm not gonna hold any secrets away from you guys, my best friends. I'm basically gonna tell you honestly why I went into Poundland was because I go in there probably once a week to check their Zoflora stuff, and they are so rubbish with restocking their Zoflora. Zoflora is obviously always selling out at the moment, but I never managed to get Zoflora in time. But today we have not 1, not 2, but 3 Zofloras. 3 new Zofloras. The first scent I got was the lavender scent. So the lavender one I have actually tried before, and I love this one. It's so summery, it's so springy, it's so nice. This is definitely perfect for the new season we're going into. I have pretty much finished my Christmas one, which was the Winter Escape or something like that. Sob, now Christmas is over. I also got a couple that I've never actually used before, which I'm really excited. So I got the Country Garden. OMG, how exciting is this? I love a country garden. I am a country girl myself. Anything that's like really flowery and really cottagey or country I want. And this is going to be absolutely perfect for the summer seasons. You know when like the flowers start all blooming in late spring and early summer and it just smells so nice everywhere? I feel like I'm gonna wanna clean my kitchen with this. So I'm really excited about that one. And I also got myself bouquet flavour. Oh my gosh, how I've never actually seen the bouquet flavour. So I'm very excited to try this one as well. On Sunday's video, we are uploading probably one of my most asked for yet exciting videos ever, and that is going to be a huge speed spring clean with me, and it's actually going to be in collaboration with another brand, so I would appreciate you going to watch it. And I'm going to be using some of these new flavoured things, so I'm very excited to clean my kitchen with like completely new scents and just see what they smell like. The next thing I picked up from Poundland was some Dettol laundry cleanser. You know, I have never tried this ever in my life, but I do know of people that use Dettol for their laundry because it just really gets rid of like bad odours and also kind of really gets rid of all the bacteria. It smells kind of nice. It smells like really nice washing detergent. Who loves hanging up fresh washing? It's like the best smell ever. So I'm really excited. Apparently you just put a capful in your wash each time and it really just helps refreshen your clothes. Just we're coming up to spring and summer and things get a little bit sweaty Betty up in here. I'm excited to try this. Obviously it's Dettol and I like Dettol products. I'm just a Dettol fan. Your girl also went into the stationery section and I got myself some really nice stationery. Normally in my local Poundland the stationery isn't the greatest, but I did find a couple of gems today. So one of them was a weekly planner, which I actually think is really nice. It has like these kind of sprinkles all around, which is really sweet. It would be good if they were like multicolored, but I kind of like black and white anyway. So it's a weekly planner and it has sections at the side which kind of you can write little notes about each day. So I would probably write the highlights of what's going on each of those days for the week. Then you have priorities, which you can prioritize, and then you have a to-do list which, by the way, I make a to-do list every single day, otherwise my brain just flutters away with the wind. I need to have a to-do list to like keep me grounded. It also has a magnet at the back. My fridge is actually integrated into my cupboards, so I can't actually use the magnet part, but I probably will like hang it up somewhere, so it's always just easy to write with. I thought this was really good for £1, not bad at all. So these are called Bulldog clips, and they basically have like slogans on each clip. They are in gold, pink and white, like, you know, the best colours basically. So it has different quotes on, like girl boss, stay sassy, gotta have that sass, girl power, slay all day, babe. Yeah, so I feel like this is really nice, and because I am very soon building a home office, so keep your eyes peeled on this channel, because I am currently about to renovate one of my spare bedrooms and make it into a home office, because I feel like I need space where I just work and get done. So this would look really nice, like hold some paper together. They're good colours, you know, you can't go wrong for only £1. I also purchased myself some pencils, so a pack of pencils, and they have rubbers on the ends of these pencils. These are just black and white stripes. They did actually have various colours like golds and pinks and things, but they weren't like nice golds. It was like kind of an off gold, so I kind of went for the black and white themed, which I think are really nice. These would look really good in like a really brightly coloured pencil pot, or even like a white pencil pot. So these are sweet. I also love how they all have rubbers on the end, and yeah, I just feel like they look cute. So whenever I am in Poundland, I tend to stock up on my Radox. I love a Radox bath. I mean, put your hands up if you don't like a Radox bath, because you can't sit with us. I love a Radox bath. Radox is normally more expensive in places like Boots and Waitrose. It's normally like £2 something, but obviously in Poundland it's only £1 per bottle, so I always try and stock up. They actually only had 2 flavours this time. They had Feel Relaxed and the Energized, and I don't need any more energy. I'm always like kind of bouncing off the walls with energy, so I always get the Feel Relaxed one. This is my favourite smell ever. It's so nice. They make the biggest bubbles in your bath, and I always team Radox with Lush, because I feel like the Radox gives you loads of bubbles, and then the Lush kind of bath bomb colours all of those bubbles, and it just looks so good. So yeah, I got 2 bottles of that this time. And then as usual, I stocked up on my toothpaste. I love to stock up on toothpaste when I'm in Poundland, because it's always £1 and toothpaste can get quite expensive. So I got myself this time the Maclean's White and Shine toothpaste. I normally get the Oral-B, but they didn't have the flavour I wanted, so I got the White and Shine Maclean's. I feel like this will be fine to use. And also from Poundland, because I go through these like water, literally like water, these sponges with the exfoliating pads at the top, I go through these really quickly, so I tend to grab a pack every time I am in Poundland. To be honest, I use them to like scrape off grease after a Sunday roast. I feel like once you've done that, it's like wrecked. But a 10 pack will last me like a good few months, so I'm glad I got these. They're only £1 as well. Might as well. I think in Sainsbury's they're like £4 for a pack of 10, so you're paying a quarter of the price. Who's losing here? So that is everything I got in today's Poundland haul. I will actually be uploading a huge Poundland haul in a few weeks, because I did speak to the store manager there and just asked them when all of their kind of spring and summer stuff comes in, and they said by the end of January they'll have loads and loads of new stock as well. So I will be doing a huge Poundland haul, so if you love these kind of videos, make sure you have subscribed so you don't miss out. Remember, on Sunday I have a huge speed spring clean my house with me. You guys love those kind of videos on my channel, so make sure you're subscribed and watch out for Sunday's video. As always, thank you so much for all of your constant support on this channel. It makes me so happy. Honestly, it makes me so happy. And I'll see you again on Sunday. Mwah. Bye!